Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, we're building a simple heart rate monitor using an Arduino, a pulse sensor, and an LCD display. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need an Arduino board, a pulse sensor, a 16x2 I2C LCD display, some jumper wires. We've connected the pulse sensor to the A0 analog pin on the Arduino, and the LCD is connected via I2C. The pulse sensor will read your heart rate, and the LCD will display the beats per minute, BPM. Code explanation. We start by including the necessary libraries for the LCD and defining the pulse sensor pin. In the setup, the LCD is initialized and a simple message is displayed. The loop reads the pulse sensor value. If the value is above a certain threshold, we calculate the BPM and display it on the LCD. If not, the display shows BPM. We also have a placeholder function for calculating the BPM, which you can customize with your own algorithm. Now let's upload the code and test the setup. As you can see, when the pulse sensor detects a heartbeat, the BPM is displayed on the LCD. This is a basic but effective way to monitor your heart rate using Arduino. That's it for today's project, a simple heart rate monitor that you can build with just a few components. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more awesome electronics projects. See you in the next video.